On today's Tech Time Tuesday, we're going to talk about how if you have a pull in your steering, sometimes that doesn't mean you have an alignment issue. In this case, we've got a brake issue.
Tech Time Tuesday.
Today in the shop, we've got a 93 P30 chassis. These coaches do tend to have some issues with their brakes. Sometimes they will hang up. Now, in this particular case, we believe it's in the caliper itself. Sometimes we see that due to the caliper slides not being lubricated. This coach has been sitting for several years, and we experienced a very severe pull in the steering while driving it. It really dove right. And again, conventional wisdom is, oh, if I'm really pulling hard, then my alignment must be way off. But let's show you why that's not the case on this coach. So on the left side, we've got the front end jacked up. We can turn the wheel. Engine's off. A little bit of resistance there. Now let's go to the right side. See if I can do the same thing. It is not turning at all. So what's happened is, in the time that this coach has sat, we've got a problem developed, most likely in the caliper itself. The piston's starting to hang up. And what that's doing is causing that right front brake to hang up. And if you have a brake hanging up, it's going to pull in that direction. So this wheel does not want to turn. So effectively, we're steering the coach to the right by dragging that right front wheel. So in this case, we're going to recommend a full brake inspection, and we're likely going to have to do at least a partial brake job on this to make it right. But we will be able to take care of that steering pull in that case. So again, just want to keep that in mind, that with a steering pull, there's a lot of different factors that can cause it. Could be alignment, could be the tire itself, could be the brakes, especially if it varies whether you're on or off the brake pedal. Obviously, that would point to brakes, but in this case, we don't have anybody sitting in the coach right now. The engine is off. It's that piston is just getting hung up and not releasing to where it's causing that caliper to stay clamped to the rotor. We hope you found that helpful and encourage you to like and subscribe to keep on top of content like this. And until next time, we want to wish you safer and happier driving.
Tech Time Tuesday.